Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to turn off the emergency alerts on your iPhone. Did you know that some alerts, like Amber Alerts and government alerts, can still come through even though your phone is on Do Not Disturb mode? It's for safety reasons, but if you find them too disruptive or triggering, we're here to help. To completely turn off Amber Alerts and other emergency alerts, here's what you need to do. First, let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Let's scroll all the way down until we get to the Notifications section and tap on that. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see the section Government Alerts. Toggle Emergency Alerts off, and that's it. Just remember to turn alerts back on when you can, as these messages can be life-saving in emergency situations. But if you still want to receive emergency alerts without the loud noises that come with them, we've got you covered. Here is how to mute emergency alerts on your iPhone. We'll need to go back into the settings and then down to the notifications and scroll all the way down again till we get to this government alerts section. Now tap on emergency alerts and toggle off always deliver, and that's it. You'll still receive the alerts but without the loud notification noise. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful iPhone tips.